Hi guys, welcome to another Understand the Real Estate term. My name is Abiola Fadahunsi and the real estate term for today is a tenement house. And I've had situations whereby a client wants to buy a land through a real estate company and they're just curious. They want to know what restrictions they have when it comes to building on that land, and they ask, can I build anything, any type of house? And they get to see that maybe the FAQ shows that you can build any structure. Actually, here in Lagos, there's much more flexibility when it comes to putting up structure on your land compared to what you have in Abuja. Okay, so they get to say that they can build any structure on it except a skyscraper and a tenement house. So they get to ask me, what is a tenement house? And most of the time these guys know what a tenement house is. It's just that they don't know it is called a tenement house because they have another name for it in their head. And I bet you watching this as well, you know what a tenement house is. You don't just know it is called a tenement house. So yeah, that's why I'm shooting this video, so you know that name you have for it, it is actually not the name. It's just a name, we've put in our head for it over time due to a particular feature that this house has. Okay, so a tenement house is a multi-family building with single rooms, and in this part of the world, tenement houses, the rooms are built facing each other on two rows facing each other, so a row to the left and a row to the right, and you have equal numbers of rooms on the left and on the right. Okay, and one common feature of a tenement house is that the occupants have to share bathroom, toilet and kitchen. So no one has a dedicated bathroom and toilet, unlike what you have in apartments, unlike what you have in a fully detached house, a semi-detached house. So a tenement house, you have occupants sharing bathroom, toilet and kitchen. The only dedicated space they have is that single room that they live in. Okay, and you find out that in tenement houses you have on the average of between 8 to 15 rooms on a row. Okay, and yeah, so quarreling is the common feature of a tenement house due to lack of privacy and shared space, because you have a lot of you share a lot of space with other families, other occupants. And yes, there's usually a tenement house is usually crowded, so to speak, because it's way cheaper to rent, or to live in one is way cheaper. So quarreling can be taken out of tenement houses, and maybe that is why you don't know it is called a tenement house. That is why in your head it is called a face me I slap you, or a face me I face you, due to the quarreling that goes on in this type of house. So yes, that is the meaning of a tenement house. So right now, I hope you stop calling it a face me I face you, or a face me I slap you, and just use the right word for it and call it a tenement house. Okay, and also if you get to see it anywhere, you now know the meaning, or if you are asked what a tenement house is, you'll be proud to explain that a tenement house is actually not called a face me I face you, or a face me I slap you, like it is called in this part of the world. So that is it on today's Understand the Real Estate term. And don't forget that I'm the real estate broker that helps you invest in peace of mind and not just a piece of land. Okay, so if you need my service, do well to let me know. That's it today, and bye for now. Do well to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.